Okay, so we've got our Astra Mark V in. The rear axle's now off. This one's coming off because it's got a slight bend on this outside, so the wheel's just getting absolutely destroyed. Tyres are just going through. The bushes were also gubbed in this as well. So we've got a replacement axle here. It's obviously a used axle, but it's in good condition. We've knocked out the old bushes and we're ready to install ours and get it back on the vehicle. Okay, so these are really easy to fit. It's just a big top hat bush. We've then got a buffer at the end and a loose inner tube. So these have got a slight step in them, which matches the inside of the axle here. Again, it's slightly stepped. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit this larger flange to the inside of the axle. So we're basically going from the inside to the outside of the vehicle, and we're just going to tap it into the housing until flush. And then we'll go in with our inner tube. Again, just tap that home. And then the last thing is just this buffer on the end here. We want the chamfer just to sit to the outside, just so it's easier to fit the bracket on when we go to put it back in the car.
You won't need to do this, but as we've replaced the axle, we're removing the original hardware and installing it onto the replacement. We're now raising the axle, relocating the brake hoses and recommissioning the brake system. The customer provided new lowering springs as they had to be removed for this swap. Our mechanic is now doing a final bolt check to ensure everything is snug prior to being torqued up to the factory specifications.
So that's the axle now fitted back into the vehicle with new bushes and obviously new springs as well. So the bushes are looking really nice in there. Now this is something that you can actually do with the actual axle still in situ. You know, you don't need to take the full thing off. We've done it just because we had to change the axle. So bushes are looking really nice in there. We tightened it up at about ride height, just so everything's in place and there's going to be no extra load put on the bushes. So nice easy job.